Now guys, if you look at this website, let me refresh it real quick. I actually have two accounts on this. Just 2 weeks ago, I registered and then I invested 300 USDT on this account. I'm going to show you in a bit, and you can see I already earned 60 USDT from everything I've been earning so far. I actually have two accounts with this because when the road is good, you go twice. So this is a second account that I have too, and if you come down here and click on my hubs, you will see that I equally deposited another 100 USDT here, guys, making my total investment up to 400 USDT on both accounts that I have. Now guys, let's go back here. Now what you are doing here is that you are going to be staking your coins. Right now, Ultron is still very, very cheap. When you buy at pre-sale or pre-launch, you are sure it is going no place but up. Do you want to make between 30 to 50,000 Naira every week without investing in Ponzi schemes or taking very risky investments? Then this video is for you. Imagine that you bought Bitcoin in the first week that Bitcoin launched. By now, that would have probably been the best financial decision you've ever made. This time around, we have such opportunity again, and I hope you don't call it a scam. The name of the cryptocurrency or the coin involved is called Ultron. It is now time to turn that your 100 or 200 or 300 USDT into something that can earn you revenue for the next 5 years. The sign-up link to the website and all the information you need to keep yourself informed in this whole process is going to be in the video description. And in this video, I'm going to cut through the bullshit and dive right into the facts that is going to help you earn revenue. I recommend you watch till the end so you don't miss any step. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Waterfred1. Let's do this. Ultron, the future of DeFi. So guys, what we're about to do, or what I'll be showing you today, is like buying BTC when it was launched. For example, buying Bitcoin. Let's say Bitcoin came out like last week and you bought Bitcoin and then you left it, or like you invested when Bitcoin was still at best, when Bitcoin was still discovered early. You know what that would have been. Now this is Malvi or Ultron. Few hours from now, Ultron will be launching and the price is going to skyrocket. Of course, you know, we are not doing Ponzi. This is not a Ponzi scheme or like you say a website where you invest in and earn commissions. No, what we are doing is investing in a cryptocurrency that is yet to be launched. And you know, of course, the price is still very, very cheap. Now guys, if you look at this website, let me refresh it real quick. I actually have two accounts on this. Just 2 weeks ago, I registered and then I invested 300 USDT on this account. I'm going to show you in a bit, and you can see I already earned 60 USDT from everything I've been earning so far. I actually have two accounts with this because when the road is good, you go twice. So this is a second account that I have too, and if you come down here and click on my hubs, you will see that I equally deposited another 100 USDT here, guys, making my total investment up to 400 USDT on both accounts that I have. Now guys, let's go back here. Now what you are doing here is that you are going to be staking your coins. And what does it mean to stake? If you don't know what staking is in cryptocurrency, it simply means locking up a portion of your cryptocurrency for a particular period of time in order to contribute to the blockchain network. Now I don't want to speak a lot of grammar here. Let me show you how you can make money. That is the most important thing that we need. If you need to read the theories and everything you need to do, you can click on this website and read everything you need to know about Ultron. So basically, what you just do is you just deposit money here and watch your money grow. This is not like Ponzi or anything. You must have to verify your account. You must have to get your account verified before you can even deposit. So your real names, your country and everything. So let me just take you gently down here. The sign up link will be in the video description. So let's just take it one by one down. The first one is my team. And you can see the country Nigeria qualified partner. Once you deposit, you can become a partner, and then you can see my direct downlines here is just 3, and then other ones. So you earn money directly on your downline, your direct downlines. That's how it works. You just come to my earnings. If you come to my earnings, you will see this is 60 USDT. I'm clicking this live and direct, 60 USDT, you can see, and I've been withdrawing, not like the waste time. If you want to withdraw anytime, you can withdraw. So this is just the best time to invest on this coin, guys, Ultron. When you want to withdraw, you can just click on withdraw right here, and then you can withdraw your money here. Withdrawals are processed instantly. You can as well decide to transfer your USDT to club. When you click on this transfer USDT to club, it will move your earnings to where you can use it and buy more hubs, okay, where you can use it and invest more again on the blockchain. helping you earn more money in the long run. Now, when you come here and click on what my hubs, I did light here. This is light. There are different hubs, different packages for it. Now this is 300 USDT for the hub. You can see, base stake. Okay, look at the ones that are staked. You see, the next thing you're going to do is we'll click on order if you want to check just others. Yeah, you can see this is when I paid 300 USDT. Okay, yeah, just 30th of February is when I paid. 30th of February, 30th. Okay, if you scroll up, you see it's not even up to 2 weeks yet. It's not even up to, I just registered 2 weeks ago, but I paid like after a week plus, and it's not even up to a week yet, and you can see what I'm making already. Now, ranking will just show you, generally how you rank and everything, register partner, and everything you need to know about it. Now, when you want to get a hub, you can click on staking hubs here. If you click on staking hubs, you'll see what the different packages. You see basic 100 USDT light. This one I did for this account, and then I did basic for this account. Yeah, for this account I did basic here. Now for this, I recommend that when you are starting, you start with as much as you can. Let's say you want to invest in the basic or light plus, anyone, you just click on buy now, and just follow the on-screen instructions. Buy with Theta USDT. You can just get your USDT from Binance or any other wallet, and you select your network. If you want to pay through Binance Smart Chain, BEP20 or Tron network, you just select it, click on this, and then create order. Once you create order, a USDT address is going to be given to you and sent to the email address you used to register on this platform, and then from there you just send the money to the wallet. And you are going to remember that if you are sending Tron network, please, if you are sending 500, you have to send like say 501, so exactly 500 can come in, and then that way the money you send will be topped up automatically. So there is a small fee when you are sending with Tron network. So if you are paying 500, you send 501. Yes, even the BEP, there are still small fees when you are sending from Binance to an external wallet. So please take note of that. Now that card arbitrage is giving issues and we know that Ponzi scheme is not the way, what you just have to do is invest in coins that are coming up, coins that are yet to be launched, and at their launch or their pre-sale, you can get them as cheap as possible. Your coin is going to be staked for a period of 5 years. That 5 years is not like they're going to lock up your money for 5 years. It is going to be released every year at a certain percentage. If you want to learn everything about it, I will leave resources and materials down in the video description for you to read theories. I'm just here to show you how you can make money from this. So every morning, just wake up and just look at your earnings. Every morning, just every day, your earnings is increasing per day, every day. And even if someone joins via your link, you are still earning referral commissions, and your capital is still there. Okay, now you can see look at APR, annual percentage rates. You see 73%, annual percentage yield 107%. So you are just here to make money, guys. This is just the way right now. Okay, instead of just risking your money buying some cryptos that you don't really know whether they will rise or sell or fall. Every crypto has a time that they will rise, and there is a time that they will still fall. No one can actually predict it correctly all the time. But when you buy at pre-sale or pre-launch, you are sure it is going no place but up. It is going towards pump up. So this is it, guys. This is it. So what you are doing here is just like, if it's in the banking world, it's just like as if you are buying shares into the coin, becoming a part of the owners, just like you are investing in it, you are staking and you are contributing to the blockchain network. So you are going to be rewarded greatly for it. In as much as I'm investing in Ultron and the system is paying, and also the coin is very bright and booming, I also recommend you do your proper research before you invest funds in the crypto markets, because there's always some level of risk that is involved in anything that is related to cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And please share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, so other people will gain value from what we do online. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.